Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this June 3rd, 2019, about 9:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Well, as you can see, a mixed bag in the stock market. There's good news in that Mexico's got an envoy, a serious one, into the U.S. talking with our Commerce Secretary, Wilbur Ross, about what Mexico can do to stop these tariffs that the president wants to put on them. Simply put, they got to do something with the Guatemalan border. If they can seal that border in some manner, and we don't see these caravans of 100 to 1,000 people at a time marching through Mexico up to our border, that should go a long way. News again between U.S. and China. China, of course, taking the opposite stake this weekend, saying it's the U.S. that changed and backtracked. We'll see. Gold market, serious market right now. The market has finally come to life with the idea these trade wars are not flash in the pans. They're here to stay for a bit. Market's responding to it. Dollar down on that news. Most currencies up. Grain's up because even though we're getting a bit of a respite in many areas on the rain, there's another wave of it coming behind this, and the farmers can't get into these fields. You're looking at the energy markets, a mixed bag with the gasoline prices down. The weather is so mild, we don't have the really hot weather that natural gas is getting hurt on that. And in the interest rates, you're down to the 2.1 zone. It's hard to believe the 10-year notes cracked through the 2.2. They're down to the 2.1 level. That's really very important. The ISM manufacturing headline. The bad news is this number. The main number, the headline as we call it, 52.1 versus an expected 53. The sub-indexes did a bit better in many cases, but it's that main number that's a problem, and you can see the inventory index missed by 2 as well. Anything under 50 is contraction, so this is starting to get a little bit nervous. U.S. construction spending, unchanged. They expected it up 0.3. They did revise up, though, the March numbers up to 0.1 up from down 0.9. Market, U.S. final manufacturing sector PMI, as you can see, came in 50.5. May's was 50.9. Not a great number. As I said, Mexico is hoping they can do something here. They're sending their envoys. And in China, a privately, not a state-compiled factory PMI for May came out, and it showed 50.2, which is steady from April's figure and just above the 50 number. So they're hanging in there, but that's about all that you can say. You know, one of the things that we try to do here are special video reports now, and I think it's time that I update my metal report. So this afternoon, you will find that if you go to our website, it's not going to be this morning, I'm going to record it. I'm going to do one. I'll try to put on price counts and all the other features for you, because gold has gotten to the point where I think it's necessary now to look at where this market might head, where the seasonals are with it, take everything from there and try to give you some opportunities, and looking at it and seeing on pullbacks, maybe that's going to be a point of interest. You know, I cover many of the others as well. In order to get this, you're going to go to www.iraepstein.com. If you have questions about it, you can always call my staff. It'll be up this afternoon. So look for it then. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a good trading day. Talk to you later.